Unanisikia vizuri?
Asante sana nakusikia vizuri
Okay.
But I'm using the phone's mouthpiece, Timbwati earphones.
Okay.
So I'm
Okay.
hoping that the audio will be good.
No, I can hear you well. Biatoli. First of all, you can introduce yourself and wakumaji.
Iritangoro kunya mbega kisesa.
Mhm.
Ndo mo MCO Rigoma Ward. Ngankeroka Rigoma Ward. Nso merete financial economics Kurkera University. Seke gusi obunobogoko. Namba ibere ngasomera Richiko from the University of Nairobi. I'm doing my master's in Master of Science in Project Evaluation from Kisii University. But I've been a journalist for a very long time. And I'm the national chairperson United Progress for Alliance. I'm also a family man. I stay in Keroka. And then in Toragete.
Ekine kia muhimu.
Kabisa.
Straight to the point. Yesterday naro chete Bondo. Mwachete kuna aba usi leaders group ose timu ya Matiang'i.
And most importantly, Nanda say campaign team Yomoske, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, we've been there. Actually, I want to go on record. Ingante na Beto Motangani ku announce Papa Ganga Matiang'i go president. That was in around December 12th last year. Konyaratara announced. But Keratu atangazete. Ikatobere shida sana because he was already working, he complained, but we came out because we have always believed that for Kenya to move forward, Ukomoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i abe president ya Kenya.
Okay.
So from when we announced up to now, we'll be celebrating the first anniversary of that announcement this coming month in November. We made the announcement, inge chama kia UPA, Kurwari Nyamira. We'll just tell our national governing council meeting when we made the announcement. I want to confess we are not consulted him, but we believed in and since we've been in this presidential campaign before, we've seen the mistakes that Jaramogi made in 1992. We've seen the mistakes that Jaramogi made in 1992, Jaramogi alongside Moske Kenneth Matiba. We saw the mistakes that the opposition made in 1997 against President Moi. Because President Moi in 1997 was a very unpopular candidate. And then we've seen the mistakes, or we've seen the strength that the opposition made in 2002. Well, that's how he came up early. So yesterday, as party team Yomoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i, led by the Gusii Council of Elders, and the Omochia person ito Matundra Chief Matundra na bantu bange. Ndwaje the delegation. Omwano mndoda was shocked yesterday. There are more than a convoy presidential. There are more than 100 vehicles. Tiakwa Tomoske Matiang'i, Otiari, Opoda Form na Kango Jaramogi. And then you had 3 buses. Tiabwate abagaka ba Gusii, babegede Chinguba na Kiregento. And it was a very, very nice. Almost Keida Tevetenga, Asabando ba Chira Komora. A delegation that you have Gusii. Mono. But we are humble and we know we are real. We are not faking it. Chombe 50 toko iroro na leusi chombe tichomo no buya. Umato you have to go with what we have. Okay, na novel MSC ama toke emiongo, you know what we had, and okwendo rone rietarigia and with a good show.
You go on or generally naki moigete mukanyora musibati olia muburaka.
She's okay, she's keeping strong, but she said after this week in Nairobi, there are a lot of people because we had an appointment at 10. We left there around 1, but there are like 3 or 4 other delegations. There was a team, bishop, priest, football team. Yani, it's a very, very busy home.
Now, I know the first time go aligeti obo MCA watumie to ODM.
The first time na get obo MCA in 2013 atumite SDP kiama kerikia Kavere Kiangilu.
Okay, ndi kwa atumie to ODM. And
then in 2017 ngatumia ODM.
Okay, good. So, a relationship ya Raila, what can you say about Raila, especially in your party?
I just want to confess, like every person in my family, nandega ndekia rote kura somoske Timothy Bosire, nero gareto to ganja ODM na Raila. In from 2002 to 2002, I was a very young man. I just done my KCPA matem. To my Bosire to ganza go support Raila. And you remember in the election year 2002, what happened? And then in Onyore Chikura Chia Koru 2002, Ekaro Yonda Reto President Moya Reto President. And then we had a presidential candidate who was Uhuru Kenyatta versus because of Raila, we supported Kibaki. My family at that time supported Kibaki. In 2007, when we supported Raila and they defeated Kibaki, lakini Kibaki akatoivera Chikura. And I want to confess, in the repeat elections, 2007, I was kept under house arrest. Because then I didn't get youth winger ya Raila. Ekababa Ndombareva Planeti go create havoc in the repeat elections. 2007. Yes.
Okay.
Raila versus Kibaki. Abaskari bachite aringa keroka wakapaki galipara. So the repeat elections, remember there was a disputed Chikura Chia Kanetu. So in the repeat elections, we could not get out of home because Abaskari bacha and then they blocked us. That's how much we loved Raila.
Okay.
2013 elections, to support Raila against Uhuru Kenyatta. We remember at that time, Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto were indictees by ICC, but we supported him. In 2017, we still supported Raila against Uhuru. Go to our time. The same thing we did in 2022. So in my entire life for a presidential race, I've only known one presidential candidate, Oyo Raila Amolo Odinga. Okay. 2027, na presidential candidate, Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Kerogwa nyorite ticket ya ODM at that time. Was it an easy task for you, or it was a challenge to get the ODM ticket?
In 2000, as a differential change, almost getting Timothy Bosire. In 2013, I was supposed to be the ODM candidate for Rigom Award. Bosire bakangeti bako mungwano olengo rokunga matoke orikuwa niega ri ambulance ya Agucha. The guy ended up being around number 14 out of 21 candidates. I was supposed to be the candidate. Ekarachukura chika chia 2017, ngarwe kambi ya Bosire ODM, ngende kambi ya Gesamina Nyagarama. Na bare ko control. Nento kakora boito tukanyore ticket in 2017.